Oh, the sun is rising on day one of this competition. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we're gonna be starting this off with the single and double rooms, and I think that's a crucial part of this renovation for sure.
I think it's a good place to start. We're kind of giving them a blueprint and kind of a roadmap to success for the future.
Yeah.
And let's face it, I mean, you and I really want to win, but the hotels are going to be the real winners. So,
Yeah, I'm feeling good about who I have for this space, and I think you're gonna be a little bit shocked and maybe intimidated.
you might run into that ocean when you see my team walking down that beach. You are in big trouble.
I'm not worried about it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I see who you brought. Look who I brought.
Oh, all right.
Oh, I got the heavy hitters. You ready? I'm ready.
Are you ready?
They don't know what they're gonna have coming to them.
My team, the king and queen of the hospitality business, Brian and Sarah Baumler.
I want to win this for Brian, for sure.
I would like to see Brian take the win because of us.
I think part of the strategy for week one is picking the right people to start this off. And John and Christina know a little bit of something about how to renovate and transform a space. And I know they're gonna set the tone for this competition.
Brian and Sarah, they own a hotel. They've renovated a hotel. But I've stayed in so many hotels. I know what amenities I want. I know how much bed space I need. I know how I want the bathroom to feel. So I think I can bring that to this renovation.
This is gonna be an epic matchup. I cannot wait to see
Oh,
this.
yeah.
But we all just want to have fun. We're gonna win, but you can have fun.
Yeah, you just keep thinking that.
Put your head on my pillow. Do not.
That smell.
Sound of progress. There we go. Who needs a crowbar? You know what's crazy? The room already looks better.
About to get a workout in here. Oh, wow.
Goodbye, kids.
Goodbye, kitchenette.
Oh, this is so satisfying.
Rip it. Oh, wow.
Can tell you're a little bit restless. I can tell that you wanna be tested.
Yeah.
The one you've been waiting for.
Bye-bye. You got to go. How satisfying is that?
They call me the hurricane.
Damn. I underestimated when John said he liked the demo. Woo!
Our first guests have checked in.
Oh my gosh, guys, first impression is a good one.
They wanted family-friendly, bright, fun,
Beach,
playful
fun, something
vibe.
different.
Your choice for color is actually really, really beautiful. Well,
It's-
there are a lot of ways to go yellow. This was a good one because it can go the wrong way.
Well, we have some more yellow, and hopefully it doesn't go the wrong way. So
Okay,
check this
okay.
out.
Oh,
It's kind of like either, so depending on the day, it's almost like a sunset or a sunrise.
it's inviting. It's not dark, even though it's a pretty heavy ceiling. It actually draws you in and draws the eye up. The woodwork for me is what really sells it because you have this built-in feature all along the wall here.
Yeah.
The white oak looks really nice with the yellow tone.
And these are very functional, so we have the
Yeah.
nightstand on one side, but on the other side, we've done it a little bit larger and done a built-in vanity.
Look at that.
Yeah, none. Okay, useless guys.
Yeah.
I can see my chest. If I need to do my chest makeup, I'm good. But this is a great use of space, low profile desk, so it's making more function out of a small space. I don't know if you guys thought about this, but one thing I've always thought in a hotel when I go into a hotel is people move things around or whatever, and then it must be chaos for the cleaners when they come back.
So we put this together and we kept impressing on Brian, being in the hospitality industry is ease of maintenance and turning over the room.
Yes.
These are built in, so the bed frame, no space underneath for hidden dirt and all that kind of stuff.
Oh, amazing.
They can come in, reset this room really quickly.
It feels fresh. Even right down to the light fixtures, it feels fun. It feels current.
Youthful.
Yeah,
Which is what
exactly.
we want.
Totally. What is happening back here? This looks
Wardrobe,
amazing.
you guys are gonna love this.
What is happening? Oh, it's a mirror.
Oh, amazing.
So this was just wasted space before, just a fridge, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I like that you pull that same color through it here, and really great use of space here for more storage. This bathroom is nice. I love that tile.
Nice.
Bright and beautiful. And has that retro flair, which I love.
How do you like those fixtures?
Oh, wow, I like it. You keep playing this theme of making it feel fresh and poppy, and the way you tie the tile into the vanity is actually quite nice. I like the color tone, and also it does look really good with the yellow. You've done a great job. I mean, you're setting them up for success.
Yeah.
Very little money created this beautiful aesthetic. I would stay here.
I've got to give it to you guys. Tonally, you've got the colors bang on. It looks great. Nailed it.
Awesome.
We are as prepared as we can be.
Hello. Are you ready?
Hello there.
Paneling done the right way.
Oh.
It's definitely got a unique vibe.
With William and Garland being around since 1954, the wood paneling was something actually that really meant a lot to them. So we wanted to incorporate some of the paneling, but just not overwhelm. So even like adding the color paneling, just breaking it up so it's not too dark, right? Because there's not a ton of natural light.
Well, the wainscoting is a nice way to break it up, and then bringing the paper in adds a really unique vibe to it.
You would think that this room might feel dark and heavy because you have a lot of darker tones, but in reality it doesn't. The color of the ceiling just draws your eye up. That is the right kind of wood paneling compared to what was here before.
Is that a padded headboard?
Yeah.
It's interesting how you did this. I like that. You're not wasting space in a small room.
The floating side tables is nice for cleanup as well. Super easy to get in. Is it the same?
Yeah, we're looking for the same thing.
Oh no. Harder to clean under a bed.
Well, we do have the easy clean floors.
That's true.
This feels sophisticated and inviting at the same time. So I really do like the colors and the choices of your fabrics in here as well. I'm looking at this tile in the
Are you seeing a
bathroom,
pattern
and I really
tile?
want to go look at it.
Oh, go check it out.
Oh, whoa. Ooh, I love it. Really elegant.
The blue is interesting though. Why that blue?
One of the things I remember about the hotels I stay in is like the bathrooms. I feel like it'll be memorable to guests.
I would say as an independent room, it stands out a little bold in the wrong way for me.
Okay.
But everything else is great. I love the color tone of the cabinets. Again, there's a moodiness to it that is gorgeous.
This room feels very cool. Like
Okay.
it feels like you'll come in here and you're like, oh yeah, this is like a boutique hotel right on the ocean. I think it's gonna get a really great response from anybody.
I love that.
It's a tally of the hotel owner's preferences, the amenities.
Looking at the guest experience and also looking at the aesthetic and design.
When we tallied it all up, we did come to a clear winner.
So the winner of the single and double room is Team Mika.
Come on! Come on! Y'all got okay, I did not expect that, you guys.
Congrats.
Congrats, man. That was
Congrats.
Were you nervous?
Yeah, I was nervous.